How to mute group notifications on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to mute group notifications on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here we'll find this one, profile, group profile. Click on it and then here you will find this one, mute notifications. Just click on it and select anything you want. Here you can select 8 hours or 1 week. Just select anything you want and then click this one, OK. And as you see, group notifications have been muted. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.